OpenID Connect, that is OIDC, is an identity layer on top of OAuth protocol. It is used for authentication, verifying who you are, while OAuth is used for authorization, like granting access to the data. It allows user to log into a website and apps using their credentials from a trusted identity provider like Google, Facebook, and all. The key difference between OAuth and OpenID is like OAuth used for authorization, giving access to a resource like accessing the G drive and all. And OIDC adds authentication on top of OAuth, helping apps know who you are, like logging in with Google. The key components of OpenID Connect are like end user, the user who wants to authenticate and grant access to the data, like client, the application that wants to authenticate the user, like website and mobile app. Authorization server is the trusted identity provider, that is Google or Facebook again, that authenticates the user and issues token. And the ID token is like JWT, JSON web token issued by authorization server that contains information about the user's identity, like name, email, etc. The access token, a token that can be used by client to access the user's resource, same as OAuth. These are the key components. Then the like OpenID Connect tokens are ID token, and that contains information about the users like name, email, etc. And JWT format, like a secure or compact token that can be easily passed between the system. Access token and refresh token, like access token is used to access the user's data, fetch the user profile, email, or something like that, and it can be used in conjunction with APIs. Refresh token, which is used to obtain new access token when the current one got expired. So let's see the flow of OpenID Connect. So the first, the user wants to log into an app using identity provider, that is login with Google. Then the app redirects the user to identity provider, that is Google. Then the user provides credential like username and password on the identity provider's login page. Then once authenticated, the identity provider sends an ID token and an access token back to the app. The app uses the ID token to authenticate the user, like verify who they are, and the access token to access users data, like profile information and all. This is the flow of OpenID, like like user initiates the login, then redirect to the authorization server. User logins, then ID token, like token exchange happens, then access will be granted. The benefits of OpenID Connect are like a simplified user login, security, that like the ID token is encrypted and validated, ensuring that the user's identity is confirmed securely. Federated authentication, like OpenID Connect supports login across multiple apps and services using simple, like single identity provider, reduce password fatigue and all. So no need of users to create and remember like different password for each app. And like a common implementation are again like SAML and OAuth, Google, Microsoft, GitHub, like allows third party apps to authenticate users with Google account or Microsoft. Again, like GitHub also allows users to log in using GitHub credentials for developer tools. So, to conclude, OIDC, OpenID Connect, is an important protocol for secure, seamless authentication and is used widely across modern web services. It builds on OAuth to help uh, applications securely verify the identity of users and give them access to services. Thanks for watching.